Alright everyone, so Duolingo has introduced a neat new feature. You can now play chess directly within the app. Here's how to locate it and get started. First, ensure your Duolingo app is running the most recent version. Then, open the app and navigate to the Learn tab as usual. Now, glance at the bottom of your screen. You should spot a small chess piece symbol. If the feature is active in your area, just tap it. You might also find it under the More menu, or it could appear as a pop-up in your main feed if this is your first time. Once you're in, Duolingo will walk you through the fundamentals. No prior expertise is needed. There are plenty of tutorials and practice rounds, making it very welcoming for newcomers. Much like their language lessons, it teaches you how to play chess in a playful, game-like style. You can also try quick matches against a computer opponent to practice your moves. It's relaxed, enjoyable, and makes for a nice mental break from studying languages. And that's all there is to it. Chess on Duolingo. It's unexpectedly entertaining and simple to pick up.